Basic, mid-level, premium. These I used to get from, who was it? Micro Alarm, and they would come with like a little basic sticker. I just take that sticker off. And then these were good hole fillers. I used to sell these for, I think, 45 a pair. But we got these now. These are great. These have a polycone and a rubber surround. There we go. These look like all the rest of them. And of course we have the premium blackjack, which has a glass fiber cone, rubber surround, metal tweeter with rubber surround, swivel. You can swivel it, see, for her pleasure. So ceramic magnet. The only improvements I would do on this one for a top of the line version would be a cast frame and a Neo motor. But again, that would be for something like Cicada or something like that. So let me bring this one in and we'll do the testing. Time to sweep. $70, $71. So as you can see, the FS is a little bit lower than the other ones. Again, one octave up would be 140, 150. And then the second octave up would be 300. Again, 100 microfarad in series, I think is what, at 800, it's like 6 dB. So you could do 600, whatever. Again, you just need something to block the bass blockers. RCX57, 5x7. We also have the 6x8. I'm curious to find out what the FS is on the 6x8. If that slightly bigger cone is going to be a difference, or what a lot of companies did was they used just a bigger frame, but then they used like plastic to fill in the space to make up the difference. It's the same cone, it's just a little bit bigger frame. So we'll find out.